Good morning, children. I hope you all are practicing maths daily. You know, maths is a subject which needs more practice. Alright? Today's topic is multiplicative inverse. Put this heading in your notebook and with an example I'll tell you what is multiplicative inverse. If I say find multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 4, you will find reciprocal of it. What is reciprocal? नंबर को उल्टा कर देना. 4 को ऊपर कर देंगे, 2 को नीचे. This is reciprocal. So this is only multiplicative inverse. Other name is. So what multiplicative inverse is? Reciprocal of a number. And word reciprocal means उल्टा कर देना. Right? Let's take one more example. 1 upon 3. इसे उल्टा करेंगे. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स निकालना हो तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? 3 upon 1 or simply 3. Denominators 1 doesn't count. You can write it as 3. You all know this. Okay, let's take one more example. Find multiplicative inverse of minus 4 upon 2. So उल्टा करेंगे और you will find reciprocal of it. 2 upon minus 4. Minus can be put here or here, anywhere you want, or in center. This is same thing, right? One more example. Let's take find multiplicative inverse of 3. So you know this, you can write it as 3 upon 1. Any numbers whose denominator is not given is automatically considered as 1. So now you find multiplicative inverse of it. So इसे उल्टा करेंगे, it will be 1 upon 3. Okay, like additive inverse, this is also very easy. You just have to find the reciprocal. Let's proceed to book question. This is question 4 of exercise 1.1. Please pause this video and copy this question. And in continuation, this is part 4th, 5th and 6th of question. First you copy this question, then I'll tell you the answers. Hope you have copied the question. So the question says find multiplicative inverse of the following. First part is minus 13. You can write it as minus 13 upon 1, whose denominator is not given is considered as 1. Now you find multiplicative inverse. इसे उल्टा करेंगे और you find reciprocal 1 upon 13 with a minus sign. Understanding it? It's very easy. Next part is minus 13 upon 19. Reciprocal of it is 19 upon 13 with a minus sign. You can put minus sign here, here or here, anywhere you want. Okay? But it should be there, don't skip this. 1 upon 5's reciprocal is 5 upon 1. Or you can simply write it as 5. It's very easy, and scoring. These two questions are very easy in the full exercise. Right? So you have copied it. Let's move further. This is the next question. For solving this question, you need to simplify it. So to simplify it, we need to solve it. So we'll multiply it first. 5 3s are 15, minus minus plus. 8 7s are 56. So this is the simplified version of this question. Now you will find multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of this question. So what will be the multiplicative inverse? 56 upon 15. Okay, in case of these complicated questions, first you need to simplify that and then find multiplicative inverse or additive inverse or whatever the question is. And please revise additive inverse also, as you'll get confused what is what. Right? Let's move to next part. Simplify this. 1 2s are 2, minus minus plus, upon, here nothing is there, so you'll consider 1. 5 1s are 5. Now find multiplicative inverse. उल्टा करेंगे 5 upon 2. Right? Last question is minus 1. When there is no denominator, you will write it as 1 upon 1. What will be the multiplicative inverse? Same thing only, 1 upon minus 1 or minus 1. This was a bit tricky. So what is multiplicative inverse of minus 1? It's minus 1 only. By calculating you will show it. I hope you are getting it. That was our topic for today. And the motivational quote for you is, I hope you have copied it, children. Okay? Okay, yes. Some note is there which you need to copy. Please copy this below the question. See, you have to note that 0 has no reciprocal. Right? 0 का multiplicative inverse, 0 को आप उल्टा क्या करेंगे? Okay, 0 upon 1, you can't do it. 1 upon 0 इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा जो कि infinite बन जाएगा. So you have to keep in mind that 0 has no reciprocal. Another thing you have to keep in mind is 0 is additive identity. And third thing you have to keep in mind is 1 is multiplicative identity. Now what is additive identity? Which will give you the same thing. Like 3 plus 0 will give you 3 only. So 0 is additive identity. Identity means similar. 3, 3. It is giving 3. When you do addition, you add any number with 0, it will give you the same number. So 0 is called additive identity. This is the logic behind it. You have to just remember this. These things you can copy and draw just for your remembrance, but you have to keep in mind these things. 1 is multiplicative identity. What does this mean? Any number, if you multiply it by 1, it will give you same number. Multiply 4 into 1, it will give you 4 only. So 1 is called multiplicative identity. 0 is called additive identity. Copy these 3 statements as notes and put it in a box. And always keep this in mind. Okay? I hope you have copied it. So the quote of the day is, you are the celebrity of your own life. You don't need to follow anyone. Okay? You just work on yourself and you are only the celebrity of your own life. That's all for today. Have a good day, children. Thank you.